Time to get back underneath this kitchen sink. As you will recall from last time, I installed this new box, ran these conduits up there, ran the wiring up in there, and I'm ready to install a new electrical outlet. That new electrical outlet is only going to be to power a new garbage disposal. This is an old one, and this one is going to be replaced. And the funny thing is we're not going to have a regular wall switch to operate it. That's where the old wall switch was. We took that out. If you haven't watched that video, you can check that out on my channel. And now I've got to install a new electrical outlet there. And the new garbage disposal is going to be controlled on this new sink. This is the existing sink. This is going to be torn out. New sink's going to have a little push button right here. And that's how you're going to turn the garbage disposal on and off. Right there, it's a little air switch. You can get them for about 60 bucks. It's kind of a slick little operation. And from up underneath the sink, it's going to have a little pigtail cord, and it's going to be plugged right into one of the duplex outlet sides. Okay, and the reason why I'm telling you all that is because if you ever want to add one of those in, chances are you're going to have to rewire your existing outlet, because more times than not, you got an outlet underneath the sink. One outlet is for your dishwasher, and the dishwasher pigtail gets plugged into that, and your garbage disposal gets plugged into the other side. Well, this dishwasher is hardwired, and it goes down, and it's hardwired directly under here. Years ago, that's how they did it. They didn't have any pigtails back then, okay? Or they just didn't decide to do it that way. And so in most cases, the top of the plug would be controlled by a wall switch for your garbage disposal. The bottom would be your dishwasher, and the dishwasher would be hot at all times. The top one would not be hot at all times. It would only operate when you turn the wall switch on. Or you can flip it. You know, the garbage disposal can be on the bottom, dishwasher on the top. Just depends how the electrician hooked it up. Well, in this case, why am I explaining this to you? In this case, this electrical outlet is going to be hot at all times, meaning the top and bottom are going to be hot at all times. The air control switch, it has a gizmo in there, and when you plug it in here, it needs to be powered at all times, so that when you press the button up here, it'll go on, off, on, off, on, off. Okay? So we've got to hook this up just like we would a regular electrical outlet. Okay? And you may already know how to do that. If you don't, stick around and I'll show you that next.